Help if I put a washer and nut on it, wouldn't it? What's happening, guys? Today is the big day. Today we are putting the lift on the Tacoma. And we also decided to do it the hottest day in the last 5 years where we're at. The heat index is supposed to be about 115. We're trying to get it done pretty quick. I came over to my buddy Paul's house. He allowed us to use his driveway in his garage, and he's gonna help us out. So I will show you guys what lift I decided to go with. The Old Man Emu. I went with the heavy duty leaf pack in the back with the Nitro Charger Sport Shocks. Front coils, I went with the 888s, which is the medium duty. The last video I showed you guys I had was the Stealth Custom Series wheels. Since then I went and I got BF Goodrich KO2s, 285s mounted on them. So that's the tire and wheel setup I'm going with. This is the new Old Man Emu strut. What I did was I got the trim packer for the driver side to make up for the Tacoma lean. So what you're gonna do is, if you got yours ordered and you had this installed, this goes on the driver side. So when you install this, you're gonna want the Old Man Emu logo facing outwards. So we'll bring it over and we'll put it in. So I just put these on hand tight right now. What I have to do is go to the passenger side and do everything we just did on the driver's side. So I'm just going to do a time lapse of that. Once I get the other wheel on, then I'll go around and I'll tighten these down a torque and we'll be done with the front end. The front end is done. I installed the front differential drop, the new struts, new wheels and tires. I'm super stoked at the way it's looking so far. Did pull it out of the driveway to turn it around and back it in to do the back, and I had total clearance on the front. It didn't rub anywhere, and I do know too that when I do go off-roading it probably will rub in the back, but for now it looks pretty good. What I went with was a heavy duty Old Man Emu Springs, and it comes with the bushings to put inside the leaf pack before you put it on. This, the plus with the arrow, goes towards the front of the vehicle. You have a rubber mallet. We're going to come over. Hit in one side, flip it over. Hit in the other side. They gave us some grease, so I'm not entirely sure how to use this grease. I'll be totally honest with you. I'm gonna guess a lot of squeaking comes from this bushing, so I'm gonna put it on in the collar before I hammer that in. Just put some around here, and then I'll put some around the bushing before I put the leaf pack in. So if I'm doing this wrong, please don't hesitate and leave a comment on the video how I screwed it up after it's already on the vehicle. We'll see how it works. Help if I put a washer and nut on it, wouldn't it? Alright guys, so that is it. That is the Old Man Emu lift. New wheels, new tires, and I'm stoked. Kate and I are driving around right now. It was brutal putting it on with this heat wave. It wasn't that bad in the morning actually. We stuck with it, we got it done. It's looking awesome. And it rides so much better than I thought it would. I had a fear that it was gonna be super rigid because I got the 888s for the front coils and the heavy duty leafs in the back, and I think it rides way better than it did stock. So I'm super stoked with it. And this is just the beginning of many builds that we're gonna do. This is gonna come in convenient because we have a bunch of trips we're doing with the Tacoma coming soon. We're going camping in Massachusetts, we're going down to the beach a couple times, so it's gonna be super cool. And yeah, I couldn't be happier with the way it turned out. I want to give a huge thanks to my buddy Paul for letting me take up his entire driveway and garage for an entire day, and for giving me opportunity to relax and cool off in his air-conditioned house. And a huge thanks to Kate, who was our camera woman the entire day. She was out in the heat and she was going through it with me. She's awesome. It was such a huge help. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's been a while between our last video and this one, and it's just because we've had a lot going on the weekends. That's why we had to do the lift today in the heat, because the last couple months the weekends have been busy. The next couple months the weekends are going to be busy, and there are awesome opportunities to make videos for you guys, including the Tacoma, including camping, off-roading, all that cool stuff. We hope you liked the video. If you do like this, please hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, please share it with whoever you think would enjoy it. Thank you again for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time. See ya.